What's up, mechanics? If you're not a mechanic, it's really easy to become one today. Just subscribe. Anyway, today, everyone keeps saying that to be vegan, it's expensive. So we're gonna go to Aldi's, A-L-D-I, however the freak you say it. We're gonna go there and see what 20 bucks can get us. Stay tuned. So guys, we're back from the market, and I wanted to do more footage in the market, but I actually got shut down. There was a guy in there, he was like, yeah, you can't record it here. I was like, oh, that sucks. But a funny turn of events is, as soon as I was leaving out, he came up to me and said, hey, you know, what's the vegan mechanic? So I explained the channel to him. You know, he was like, yeah, I want to quit eating, you know, the meat and stuff. I've been shrinking my portions down. I was like, you know, that's cool. I have a, you know, video to show you how to get off of the meat completely. You should check it out. But anyhow, let's get into what I got for 20 bucks. He kind of screwed me up and threw me off. So it might not look like a lot of food, but trust me, I can make this stuff into a lot of different meals. So I'm gonna get right into it. I got some penne pasta with some marinara sauce. I have other seasonings and all, so this will make a good spaghetti. That meal alone is only about 3 bucks. Moving right along, I got some rice. I think this was like $1 or $2. This was about $2. So rice and beans. You mix the rice, you know, make the rice and make the beans. And you can use the lettuce here as like a taco or burrito shell. And then also, after you do that, that's one way of doing it. That's one meal, so you don't get bored. The next meal is you chop your lettuce up. You put your rice on it, like make a burrito bowl. You got the rice at the bottom, then you add your beans, and then you add your guacamole, or you know, avocados, however you want to do it. You add that to your meal. Now these two guys are gonna be for my smoothies. Flaxseed is really good for you. It has a lot of good vitamins and stuff in it. Let's see, 6 grams of protein per serving in the flaxseed. Add this to your protein shakes. Got some almond milk. Can't go wrong with that. Asparagus. I absolutely love asparagus. And there it was only 49 or 59 cents for each package, which isn't bad. Last thing, well, couple other things, you know, got your bananas, that's your breakfast, throw that in your smoothies. Got your cucumber, make a salad with your cucumber. You take a little of the avocado, just lettuce, and cucumber, boom, you got a salad. Then also got your apples. There's also a good breakfast, like I said, bananas, apples, great breakfast, great in between snack. I eat a lot of apples and peanut butter. I probably could have stretched my bills a little bit better, but he threw me off when he kind of said, you gotta stop recording in here. Maybe I should have used my cell phone, but my cell phone has a shitty quality. When you're carrying around a whole entire camera, it's like, hey, no, like you can't do that. I think a customer's complaining because he said if I come early enough in the day, it would be no big deal. But when I came, I guess some people were getting pissed off. Who knows? I don't know. But what I do know is that's it for this video. I hope it helped. If you want to see me do another video like this, but actually cook some of the meals, I'll do that too. Cause I mean, like I'm trying to tell you, the meals will be cheap. This is a $3 meal that'll feed my whole family. 2 pasta sauce and this right here. Or I can use half of this pack of pasta, puree up one of these avocados, and do like a base, like avocado-ish pasta. You know what I mean? You can make a nice earthy salad also with the avocados and all. asparagus is just always good. Cook it. I can eat both of these by itself. And the rice and beans are gonna fill you. Like, I have plenty of other things in my, you know, my cupboards that can make fuller meals, but this was some of the stuff that I needed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please leave a like. Become a mechanic today. If you're not already a mechanic, slap subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, guys. Eat grass, not ass.